Welcome back everyone as High Life Dubai celebrates Christmas right here in Dubai. Christmas is all about sharing with your loved ones, be it your time or your love or your feelings. और आशा है कि आप सब ने कॉन्टेस्ट क्वेश्चंस के आंसर जल्दी से भेज दिए होंगे. अब सिर्फ इंतजार कीजिए जीतने का. A whole lot of goodies are popping up out of Santa's big red bag. 5 perfumes from Ajmal and 2 hampers from Revlon are up for grabs. Make sure to send in your details fast on highlifedubai.ae or SMS to 6127 with your name, space, your contact number, space, your location. And now we have on our show a man who has made us laugh and cry. But most importantly, he has made us believe in him and fall in love with his simplicity. Baman Irani is a late bloomer in Bollywood, but he has filled that crucial gap and of course, there's no looking back. We spent a lovely afternoon with Baman and caught him in an introspective mood. Watch this exclusively informal chat on High Life Dubai.
It is a bit of a surprise. I was called for the function and they were sweet enough not to tell me that I'm winning the award. Normally when a person gets a non-nominated award, the nominees are invited and they announce and the nominees are and so. This is a special award. So they tell the person you're getting a special award. They didn't tell me specifically. They prepared a lovely audio visual and they announced the award. Mr. Jagjit Singh and Sonu Nigam and Dia Mirza gave me the award. I think that the film industry accepted me with open arms. It's not very often that happens and it's not very easy entry. So when Munna Bhai MBBS did come out, yes, they accepted me, but they were a little skeptical of whether I could do anything else besides that type of role. So I immediately swung into doing Darna Mana Hai, a psychotic guy. And immediately after that, I did Khosla Ka Ghosla, which is one of my favorite characters. I come to Dubai, there is so much of peace over here. We don't have to worry about what's going to happen. Something's going to happen. Oh, nothing's going to happen. Everybody's having a nice time. Everybody is working hard. Everybody is enjoying themselves. So I just love the spirit of the way things are happening here in Dubai.
Baman loves Dubai and Dubai loves him back. In fact, Dubai loves all our Bollywood stars who come here to visit us. Deepika and Imran were here to promote their latest rom-com, Break Ke Baad. And of course, we were there to chat with them.
Hi Deepika, welcome on the show once again. I have interviewed you from your first movie and you just keep looking better by the day. Welcome on High Life Dubai. 3 things you like about this movie.
Firstly, I think the romance in the film is very well portrayed.
I think the fact that it's a love story, because I think as an audience I love watching love stories.
I think the relationships in this film are very accurate.
That it's modern, it's the way youngsters are in relationships.
The third thing is, I think the relationship between Deepika and myself, the working relationship. It's the first time we worked together, but it's been a real joy. I think that she's a very, very talented actress and she's also a very, very nice person. So I've really enjoyed working with her and I think that shows on screen.
That it has Imran and me together for the first time.
3 things you like about the entire team of Break Ke Baad.
It's a very young team and as such I think the sensibilities of the film are very young and fresh.
What I've taken back from this film is that we've all become friends today.
Everyone involved with the film felt a very personal connection to it. I know I did, I know Deepika did, our director Danish.
It was never really like a formal working relationship.
And ultimately, to me, this is a very personal film. Again, for the reason that I said, because they are all my friends.
Even if it started off like that, I think over a period of time, we've all become really, really close friends.
3 things you absolutely like about Imran Khan.
He's a very good human being.
Firstly, she's a very sensible girl. And that keeps her humble, it keeps her down to earth.
He's a very supportive co-star.
The other thing that I like about her is that she's very, very hardworking.
And he's fun.
And I think she's very cultured and she has very good values.
You know, over the years, your style has really evolved and now you're really one of the best dressed celebrities we have. 3 things you think this is a style is all about.
I don't really wear designer clothes.
I think style is really about wearing your own personality.
I don't follow fashion trends.
I'm not someone who believes in following trends blindly.
To me, I like to wear things that express my personality, that show who I am and what my interests are.
I think wearing your own personality is very, very important. So don't follow trends blindly.
3 tips you would like to give our viewers. How do you keep fit yourself?
I like to do physical activities. I've always enjoyed martial arts.
Fitness is not only about the food that you eat. I think it's you should balance it out with a workout.
3 things you absolutely love about our city, Dubai.
The first connection that I have with Dubai is that every time I've promoted one of my films here, that film has gone on to become a very big hit.
It's a city that I've always come to promote my films or to interact with my fans and audiences or for a show. I've never had the time to stay back and spend some time here and do a holiday. So again, I will say that, when I do get the opportunity, I would like to come and spend some time here.
Last but not the least, 3 tips you would like to give people how to handle breakups.
The first thing I would tell anyone who's gone through a breakup is that it hurts. And there is no way that you can stop it from hurting. It has to happen. It has to hurt. I'm sorry, there is no other way.
First, cry.
The second thing is that it will get better. I promise it gets better. Everyone has gone through it. I've gone through it many, many times. And it feels very bad, but it does get better.
Then be strong.
The third thing is that there is no way to just make it get better. It takes time. You have to go through it. You have to suffer. You have to feel the pain. You have to feel bad. But at the end of it, it will become okay. I promise you.
And then move on.
That's all we have time for on our show tonight. Thank you for your encouraging emails and comments. सिर्फ आप लोगों के प्यार और सपोर्ट ने हाई लाइफ दुबई को इस मुकाम पे पहुंचाया है. Once again, I would like to wish all of you a very Merry Christmas. All through the season, remember to be generous with your words, your actions and your feelings. Wow, it's so nice to see you again, Santa. This time, he has 5 perfumes from Duetto in his bag and it's a brand new fragrance. So, if you want this for yourself, send in your details on highlifedubai.ae or SMS to 6127 with your name, space, your contact number, space, your location. I'll see you all next week as we wrap up a whole year of goodness and stand at the threshold of a brand new sparkling year, 2011. Make the most of each moment of this year and keep living it up in style. This is Uma saying good night. And see this, Santa Claus is here to wish all of you Merry Christmas. Tonight's episode was shot at the theatrical setting of Petals at the Wafi Mall with their elaborate handmade chandeliers, eclectic furniture, intricate embroidered chairs, and exquisite accessories capture the attention of a variety of audience, including royalties and celebrities. With sharp attention to details in every corner, it's no wonder Petals has established a reputable brand throughout the world.